Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to Safelist a YouTube channel on Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on your profile or your account, and then again, click on Account. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, make sure that you do have a paid subscription, or go ahead and grab the chance to use the free trial. Okay, for this specific account right here, I'm currently using the free trial, which has the pro plan. Okay, now go ahead over to Safelist. Now, as you can see here, for the pro plan, you can go ahead and add up to 3 YouTube channels. If you're just using the simple creator plan, you can just upload, you can just go ahead and use it on a single YouTube channel. Okay, so click on YouTube channel, then find your YouTube channel's name. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and use our other channel, this one. Okay, so as you can see here we have it. I can just go ahead and click on it, wait for the add button right here to pop out, and click on add. And once done, I can now go ahead and freely use the music, sound effects right here for my YouTube videos. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to Safelist YouTube channel on Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.